Hello, my name is Rose, and at Christmas time, December the 26th, I ordered some strawberry plants, and today, being May 4th, 2021, my strawberry plants came in. So I am going to unbox this because I'm excited. So I ordered 5 boxes, and in each package should be 8 plants. So let's check it out. I can't wait. I was hoping it was tracking it down on my email to see where it's at. Okay, oh, I mean it's too high. I'll just ouch. Okay, well, maybe this one too. Ah, oop. Oh! I don't know why, but I'm so excited. Look at that! I'm so excited to see what they look like. This is just paper, and this is my order. So it's strawberries Everbearing, and I have 5 packages, and that's about it. So if you were wondering what the cost was for one box was $9.99 plus tax. So you get 8 plants. I would say $10. Well, a little bit more than $10 for 8 plants, so which is a pretty good deal. And I'm gonna do another episode. Our ground is not ready, and so I'm gonna put these back outside after I film this. But I'm so interested what these look like. So there's one. Doesn't that look nice? Look how nice that looks. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And a nice box. Okay, put it back down here. Put this down here. And my shipping. I can't wait to see what it looks like. It's really sunny right now, so. Okay. Hopefully I want to open it gently. So dig a hole twice as wide as a root ball and deep enough that the middle of the crown is level with the surface, and mulch around each plant to prevent weeds. And store in cool, dry place until planting time. I think I'm just going to leave it outside because it came in the mail. Shipping. Oh, what? Listen. Oh, I should have had a little pan, but it's okay. I'll clean up my mess after. Oh my. Should I even open it? Oh, I'm excited. Wow, it's like sawdust. I don't know if you guys can see this. So this is like, I want to dump it and won't tell anybody. This is sawdust. Yeah, sawdust. Oh man. Oh my goodness. So there should be 8 plants in here. Oh, I hope you guys can see this very good. Oh boys. Wow, is it ever hard? I'm scared. Look, these guys are kind of growing here. Hopefully you can see this. Oh wow, this is cool. Smells like dirt. Oh, there's the little crowns. I'm so like nervous to open these. Not hurt. Oh, there's an elastic around this. That's why it's stuck. Oh, there's 2. Oh boys, I'm making a mess in the living room here. Dining room, sorry. There's another. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, put that outside. I was thinking of getting a pizza pan, but it's kind of late now. Oh, look at this cute little guy, but lots of roots on it. Wow, that's 1. Oh, look, it has something right here. That's 2. Wow, there's a lot of roots on these. That's 2. Okay. 3. Look at this one 4, 5, 6. I think that one there's 7. This one here must have to be 2 of them together. Or should be 8. 1, 2, maybe this one here. Okay. Oh, maybe it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, maybe I'm missing something here because this root is big, or this one here has 2. I don't want to rip it. Ooh. Well, maybe I just have, maybe it's just 7. I thought there was 8 plants. Maybe it's one is in here, all tied up. This is cute. 1. So I guess that you plant up to here and don't cover the crown, and you plant it like a mound because it doesn't like to sit in a valley of water, so you kind of build it up. Anyways, I'll do another video when I plant them. My husband and I plant them. I thought maybe it's not, I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out, maybe I missed one. Well, it doesn't look like it. I don't want to, maybe these 2, maybe there's one extra one in here. I don't know. But this is cool. I'm not going to open the rest of them. Look at the mess I have. Oh my goodness. So, it is so cool. Or maybe I should open them all. No. Oh yeah. No. I'll just open it. Yeah. I'll open it, but I won't do this with it. And I'll do another video of me opening everything. And when I plant them, because I guess you gotta soak these in water for, I think for like an hour before you plant them. Yeah. I think there's probably 2 in here and I'm not breaking it up, so. Oh. So kind of cool with sawdust. I seen on the internet that it's just nothing. It's just a bunch of roots together with no sawdust. Oh, I'm not doing a good job here. Ripping everything apart so much. Yeah, that's cool. Maybe I should open one more. Maybe I'll open up one more just to make sure. Okay. Oh, well, don't scratch the table. I'm going to pause and I'll come back with a pan. Here's my pan. I hope I don't scratch my surface of my table, so I'll put it down gently. Ooh, okay. So I'm going to just make sure there's 8 plants in this one. That's nice though, they wrapped it up real good. They wrapped it around at the end here. And all the sawdust. I don't want to, I'm going to just leave the sawdust in the bags so I can put it back in after. Wow, that's cool. Okay. Wow, what a mess. Well, there's 2 elastics on here. One is doubled. Okay, ooh, I'll put it right here. So let's check this out. So all the crowns are all on top here. Okay, this is 1. I'll put it right here. 2, 3. Oh wow. 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Eek. Oh, please don't break. Oh boys, oh boys, oh boys. And their little roots are all tangled. Oh, phew. 7 and 8. That's pretty cool though, look. And this look. Wow. So that is cool. I think this is so cool. So I'm gonna wrap all this up And a couple days by the weekend, I'll show you. I have to get these in the ground right away. I want to leave this boxes outside, so it still doesn't come out of dormancy, because right now in the house it's plus 22 degrees and they will come alive and out of dormancy and stuff. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna put them outside so it's not waking up to the warm weather inside the house. And yeah, by Saturday I will plant these little strawberry plants. Doesn't look like anything, right? Look at them. But I don't, and I have to research. I don't know if I'm going to get strawberries this year. I think it's only going to be next year that we'll have some strawberries. But it's so exciting because up where we live, our strawberries come from the southern part, like in Florida or Mexico. And the strawberries they taste plain. Compare when it's locally, when it's harvest time, like around our area, like in July, it tastes so good, so fresh. And it costs a lot in the wintertime in our area. It costs like $5-6 for just a little tray of strawberries. So if I can get a little plant less than $1 and then just put them in nice soil and then keep them alive every year, I can have some free strawberries and freeze them. And we make smoothies here, so this is a really good idea. And yeah, so I'm gonna clean up my mess. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We're gonna be doing a little bit of gardening, garden show. What we do. We don't have a huge garden like other people, but we have a little small garden, and we're growing and growing. And this is our start of growing bigger. And I'm so excited. And yeah, we'll go from there. And have yourself a great day. Like and subscribe, and talk to you later. Thanks. Here's what the strawberries look like.